I will show you how to blur a face in Premiere Pro. Select your layer and then go to the toolbar and select the Object Mask tool. Now go to the preview screen and then select the face that you want to blur. If you want to blur multiple faces, then you can highlight them as well to add them to the same mask. Now inside the effects controls, under the Object Mask, click on the track forward and back button. This will track all the faces throughout the video. Now to blur the faces, go to Effects and then search Mosaic. Then apply the Mosaic effect under Stylize to your video clip. The faces should now automatically be blurred. If that's not the case, then simply click and drag the Object Mask to the Mosaic effect. Now you can adjust the Mosaic settings to your liking. You can make the mask bigger by increasing the expansion value. To make the edges smoother, you can change the feather value. If you want a different look on the blur, then you can apply the Gaussian blur effect to the video instead, then just apply the Object Mask to the Gaussian blur, and then just simply adjust the settings. And you have now blurred multiple faces. To save time editing, check out my ultimate preset pack, link in the description.